India's parliament on Monday passed a bill to repeal the three controversial farm laws amid uproar by the opposition, demanding discussion over the legislation. The protesting farmers celebrated the development but said their year-long agitation would still continue over pending demands, including a law on minimum support price for all produce.
India's both lower and upper houses of parliament on Monday passed the Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021 to revoke the three controversial farm laws, days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced his government would roll back the legislation which farmers have protested for more than a year. As Parliament reconvened for its winter session on Monday, India's Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar tabled the bill, which was passed without any discussion, which attracted loud protests from members of the opposition parties. The three farm laws introduced in September 2020 aimed at deregulating the agriculture sector had triggered nationwide protests. The legislation allowed farmers to sell produce to buyers beyond government-regulated wholesale markets. However, farmers feared they could have left them at the mercy of big private purchasers.
भारत सरकार ने पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ आंदोलनरत किसान संगठनों से चर्चा की और हमें दुख है कि उसके लाभ समझाने में हम सफल नहीं हुए.
The protesting farmers celebrated the development but said their year-long agitation at the borders of Indian capital New Delhi would only be called off when their other demands would be met, including a legislation ensuring minimum support prices or MSP for all their produce.
वो हो गया. अभी जो दूसरे और मामले हैं किसानों के, उस पर भी सरकार बातचीत करेगी.
तो अगर सरकार बातचीत नहीं करती तो आंदोलन जारी रहेगा.
हाँ, हम बिना बातचीत के कहाँ जाएंगे भाई.
The government has not yet made any comment on the protesters' demand for MSP. The government currently buys rice and wheat at state-set prices, but it only benefits about 6% of India's millions of farmers.